Welcome back to Mima's Place, y'all. So glad you stopped in today. Well, here's my Christmas video of my cards. This particular one, I just want to start off and say it was a blast to do. And the reason for it was that, if you'll notice, the pattern on here comes from the bags that I did the tutorial on. Only these bags are black and gold. And if I take them close up to the camera, you see the texture on this? I was thinking maybe I might make a purse too, a small miniature video of a purse. I think I might do that with these bags. I think they'll work out really nicely. Anyway, these came from the Dollar Tree. So that's this one, and this came also from a AliExpress. Where is it? Die. I'm trying to get them here. I had them already. This one right here. And then this poinsettia comes from part of the Spellbinders dies of this one right here. And I don't think it, oh yeah, and this one came from a Cottage Cut, this one right here. This was 50% off last year. I don't know if they still have it, but that's one. Not all of them have sentiments inside. This one happens to have a sentiment. Then I did this one. And this font is on from a stamp that I have. And then this is also from Sizzix, Tom Holtz die, Thinlits die. So that gives you where that came from. I don't think this has a sentiment inside. Boy, I watched a lot of videos on how to do bow tie. We won't go into that. That was a journey. And then I have this one right here that I did. And this is coming from my computer. No, I'm taking that back. It is a stamp that I have on this one. This is the Tim Holtz die. This is part of the, and this is the Spellbinders, and then obviously my bow. And this pattern paper was some old pattern paper that I had that I used for this. This one doesn't have a die Cinnabon inside. And then this I did on my Canva program. And this is an AliExpress die. The fence comes from this one right here, Spellbinders. Again, it was on sale. I think they still have this one. And then I did a lot of coloring on here to make it brighter. And then this is an old stamp I have that says, "May your heart be lifted in praise this Christmas for the wonderful gift of Jesus and the joy he brings to our lives." So that one's that. And then I did this one too. This says, "It's the most wonderful time of the year." And this is a Spellbinders die, the same poinsettias that we used on the other ones. And this is just some ephemera that I had from Hobby Lobby. And it opens this way. And then I have this one. This is an ornament die that I cut in pieces and I glued together. Believe it or not. So it's like, oh my. And this right here, these little sides are coming from, let's see, this die right here. This is a border die, and this was on Amazon. I think they might still have it. And then I did this on my this little shape right here. I did on my Scan and Cut, and I also did the greeting on my computer on the word processing. I just did a small font on that. And there's something inside there. And then I did this one too. This is also a die that I got off of Amazon. And these are the Spellbinders dies. And then it opens up like that. I still have yet to put sentiments inside, but I wanted to get this video out, so it was important to me that I got the video out. And then I didn't want another week to go by without doing that. And then I did a tutorial on this. So there will be one tutorial coming up. I recorded it. And the way that I got these shapes is I used this Fiskars paper edger die, and scissors, and it's the Victorian one. And so I just layered it 3 times, and then this die right here is the, oh, where did it go? I just had it that I showed you. It's the AliExpress one. It's this one right here. And these dies in the back here, that's not the spellbinders. That's actually this die right here. It came off of the internet. It says it's made in China, but it actually, excuse me, came off of the internet. Came off of Amazon. They do have it, but anyway, I guess it's made. I don't know who it's made by. It just says made in China. I mean, I know it's who's made. You know, who sells it? I mean, you know what I mean. So there's not a sentiment in here, but I did do a tutorial on this one for those interested. So that pretty much concludes this video for my Christmas cards, and then I'll be moving on to the tutorial, and then from there the other projects that I have in store for the Christmas craft show coming up. I hope that you'll take the time to like and subscribe my video and give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow, and without you my channel would not grow. So I appreciate it if you would also comment. Let me know what you're thinking on these. If you'd like to see some other cards, or if there's a particular one you want a tutorial on, or there's other things that you'd like me to do. I'm really thinking about doing a purse with that material. I really think it would look nice because it just seems to be the right one for it. But we shall see. We shall see. Just an idea that popped into my head. All right, y'all. Thank you for stopping in tonight. Appreciate it. It is nighttime for me as usual. And you all have a very blessed day, evening, week, month, entire year. All right, y'all. Jesus loves you. I love you. And you all have a very blessed day. Bye.